How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're taking a look at a brand new arrival for this 2026 Grady-White Fisherman 216. Starting on the back of the boat, it's going to be powered by a Yamaha 250 horsepower engine. It's got that classic white color match to the Grady-White interior color. You got a ski tow pylon on the back. This is retractable, so when you're not using it for water sports, you can stow it away easily. On the back, you have two jump seats that can have bolsters to slide in for easy access on and off the dock, and then flip over this underside that's got the non-skid to get your cushions like you see over there. Some storage underneath the helm, or lean post there for tackle, and then the quick connect here makes flushing super easy on this boat. You'll see on the back of this lean post as well, tons of rocket launchers as well as overhead, designated storage for knives and other tools. Up at the helm, you have a live well built into this lean post. Just flip this up and easily store your bait under there. This just is a rounded, blue-walled, keep your bait circling, a lot easier to grab them. Up at the helm, Grady does leave the helm completely open, so you can pick whatever electronics best fits your needs. You have digital throttle and shift on that 250 horsepower Yamaha, your Yamaha screen for all your engine diagnostics in real time, and overhead we have a color match of that ocean mist hull color, as well as these nice overhead lights and high and dry storage. Moving forward, in the helm, really nicely finished head in this Grady-White. And up on the bow, you're going to have a great seating area. So seating in front of the helm, as well as these two lounger seats. They have bolsters that will flip easily to the side to use as cushions if you're fishing, or use them as a backrest if you're riding forward. And both of these boxes are fish boxes, so they're insulated and drain overboard. Up on the helm, you have an anchor locker if you ever needed to pull the anchor, as well as your nav lights up front. So again, this is Mike Love here, MarineMax Ocean View, on our 2026 Grady-White Fisherman 216. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, love to see you